Just wait. Whenever you have a clean shot. Not yet. He's gonna keep coming. When he gets out in the open, you hit him. Not yet. Okay. Not yet. Reload.
Hit him again?
Nope. He's done.
Fuck!
You did it, buddy.
Yes. Yes.
Reload just in case. What did I tell you, buddy?
That's awesome. That's awesome. Whew. I can have one more good feeling like that in life.
What's that?
I only have one other feeling like that in my life, and that's when my son's born.
Hit him again. Done deal. Congratulations.
Thanks, man.
Good job, Lou. We called him right in.
That was awesome. It couldn't be any better than that, man. I'm telling you, dude. The freaking thing was thrashing like crazy.
Yeah.
Oh, man. That's what down there.
Okay, we'll get our gear first and we'll go check them out.
Okay, sounds good.